Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Alright. So, I won't be talking too much. My washing machine is going crazy. It's loud, so um, what I'll do is I'll explain things as I'm going along, but for the most part, I have my mic on mute. Give me just a second so I can post the stream for any friends that want to join in.
About better days, better days, better days, better days. Hey, better days. Got me thinking about better days. Time to question our lifestyle, look how we live. Smoking weed like it ain't no thing. So even kids wanna try now. Then lie down, they get ran through. Nobody watches them clocking the evil man too. Faced with the demons, addicted to hearing victims screaming. Guess we was evil since birth, product of cursed scenes. Cause even our birthdays is cursed days. A born thug in the first place, the worst ways. I love to see the block in peace. With no more dealers and crooked cops. The only way to stop the beast. And only we can change. It's up to us to clean up the streets. It ain't the same. Too many murders, too many funerals, and too many tears. Just seen another brother buried. Plus I knew him for years. That's by his family, but what can I say? Keep your head up and try to keep the faith. And pray for better days. Days, better days. Better days, hey, better days. Got me thinking about better days, hey, better days. Better days.
All right. What's this? What is that? All right, y'all. Let me get some things situated. Okay. Yeah, honestly, I guess I'll leave my mic on because I need to. Oh, snap. That's loud. I need to explain these concepts. That's very loud. Okay. I think my voice should be better now. I want to explain these concepts and kind of talk through things. So if the washing machine gets distracting, just mute me or lower my voice. So yesterday, what we were working on was the reentrancy attack or the reentrancy challenge on Ethernaut. My focus for yesterday honestly wasn't necessarily the challenge, but more so converting over to TypeScript with Hardhat and learning how to use type chain. The next stage I need to get to is using Foundry, but I think it's important to learn some of the foundations, and also I like to learn, front end development, and I'm gonna need to know how to pretty much connect I'm going to need to know how to connect JavaScript and TypeScript files to my contracts. So that's why I'm choosing to do this all in Hardhat right now. And since I've programmed a little bit in like TypeScript and JavaScript, it's just the most familiar for me right now. But like I said, we'll do Foundry stuff in the future. And honestly, the intention is to come back through all of these and do them in Foundry. But for now, what we have here is, what was we doing? Okay, yeah, so we were setting up everything to test locally. And what I want to do now is test this fully like locally, and then I'm gonna test it. I wonder if I should have a local test and a main one set up. Maybe that will be smart to do. Yeah, I think that would be smart. So let's leave this here. Leave the template. Actually, I'll leave this as a template. And we'll just say, we'll leave one of these as an attack template. Okay. And then we'll make one for contract attack local. And then what we'll do is we want to make a Sepolia testnet attack. We will deploy it and make sure that runs. So for now, I think and that's my laundry. Sorry about that. I know it's probably hella annoying. So for now, what I'm going to do is, yeah, I'm going to have to mute my mic. But for now, what I'm going to do is just do this locally. So let's go ahead and get rid of, let's copy this. Copy all this. And can we duplicate? No. Let's make another one. We'll say contract attack Sepolia. Okay. We'll copy this here and just leave this alone for now. So let's go to our local setup. We have this contract here. We have reentrance, and what we're gonna do is first we gotta send it some ETH, and then we're going to extract that ETH. So we have, let's get rid of this. We'll say local reentrancy exploit using contract. Okay, and then I wonder if I can cut out this audio. Let's see. Okay, I think I may be able to give like a noise suppression on there. All right, how does that? Okay. I think that's definitely better than how it was, but let me lower my voice. All right, yeah, that's much better. So I think I suppressed most of the noise from the background. You'll still hear it when I talk, but at least when I'm not talking, you won't really be bothered with it. Okay, so we have a reentrance contract. We're going to connect to that. Deploy it. Make sure it's deployed. We want to donate to this contract. So let's say perform donation with DOA. Just so that it has I think 0.001 ETH in it. And then next, what we're gonna do is we're going to perform exploit with contract attack. Okay. And let's just let's just test this out. We want to test things locally. So NVMe 16. So I put network local. I think that's just the default. Oh, I was in the wrong one. Let's change a few things because that needs to stay here. All right. Okay, so to do it locally, I need to get rid of this. Set up for attack locally using contract. All right, so we're deploying. We don't need to deploy our own attacker contract just yet, but we will. Um, so we want to donate. And the reason we're doing this is because the Ethernaut challenge starts off with a 0.001 ETH. So replicate the environment. So it starts off state with 0.01 ETH. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to take my address, donate to it, make sure that the contract has 0.001 ETH in there. All right, and so now for performing the exploit, what we're going to do is let's set this up here. So let's make an attack function. We need to make it payable because we want to send, excuse me, we want to send some ETH to this. So we're going to say reentrant contract.donate. We're going to donate um, maybe I have to put this before. I keep forgetting what the proper syntax is for these. Okay. So yeah, I'm basically going to be donating to myself, the person that's actually initiating the attack. Um, and we're going to donate 0.001 ETH. And what's going to happen is we're going to make a fallback. Do I need to specify that it's payable? I mean, I'm pretty sure I can just implement this with a receive. Yeah, let's try to see if we can do that with this. Um, kind of want to import console logging here. Let's see. Ooh, hold up. Gotta change stream because hold on just a second, y'all. Okay. Um, so yeah, we want to log this stuff to the console. Basically, things that are happening in real time. So what I'm gonna do is log. I don't like that, but let's actually just leave that down here for so we know how to do it. Console log. Entering receive and initiating reentrant attack. Actually, let's just say performing because I don't want to say entering every time. So performing emergency attack, put that there. And then we want to, so in this attack, we want to make sure a few things are happening. So if the reentrant, or how do we do balance of? Balance of is greater than 0, we want to perform this attack. And I'm not really sure if that's like the right thing. Oh, okay. So it's going to be address dot balance. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah. Balance the address, perfect. I know we can specify ether. Can we specify different units like kether? Nope. All right, so yeah, if it's greater than 0, then we want to perform this attack. If not, then we don't. So if address of this is greater than 0, oh, that's right, that's right. So two things. So first, not only do I have to donate to myself, but I need to make sure I withdraw. So remember, this contract's already going to have 0.1 in it. So before we do that, let's go ahead and just say, how should I set this up? Okay, so in our attack, we want to make sure we donate, and then we want to call withdraw, right? And the amount we're going to withdraw is going to be, what is it? You went. uh, uh, I'm getting a call from one of my mentees, y'all. I'm going to take a break from this. Hold on. Hey, bro, what's going on? You good?
So we argue and play fight all day and night, making passionate love to the daylight. Plus we about to get evicted, can't pay the rent. Guess it's time to see who really is your friend. Tell me you pregnant and I'm amazed. So many blessings while we stressing, looking for them better days. Better days. Hey, better days. Got me thinking about better days. Better days, better birds. Hey, better days. Better days. got my mind on making money, but you stuck on these fake bitches. I stay blunted and never fronted, and I doubt if I do. Cause if I did, then I get beat up by my fucking crew. A real nigga sent you figure that you ready to box. You catching knots from my nigga Freddie Fox. You really don't want none from block, cause I be strapped with a Glock and throw things like I'm born to box. I hit this motherfucking gin and I'll be all in. Hell yeah, young nigga straight ballin'. And everybody wants to see it from the G, weighing 165. And I'm high till I fucking die. Thug life in this motherfucker, catch a wreck. Big stretch hit me off when I hit the set. But now I'm cool cause the tipsy and I feel it. Nigga tryna see if I'm a killer. Come on. Don't fuck with her. 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 Hoods with fuck shit, finales with the rats. The little old ladies and babies are busting death. A motherfucking look so arrive my style. Sometimes the militant mess will crack a smile. But don't sleep, cause you see my teeth, nigga. I'll be creeping like a jet. And black with the Mac. So many niggas died last year. Cause there was poppin' shit that I didn't wanna hear. Check it, yo, I've been down gangs, roll with big budgets. But I was busting texts while they was eating lunches. I run up on your ass quick, check you. Slap you in the face, then disrespect you. Before I let you rock and rain dog wreck you, I bite you in the face like Hannibal Lecter. Then I slide by the dip from the couch. But if they wanna rumble with the fuck, then they get shot. See, when I come to town, I bring lollipops for you suckers. And some of you motherfuckers is cold suckers. How many necks does it take for me to find you? Bang one, bang two, yeah, I'm right behind you. Rain and must go, the infrared beaming on your dome. Boom, 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 yeah, you gone. Don't fuck with her, 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 don't fuck with her. All you niggas are dead.
When I die, fuck it, I wanna go to hell. Cause I'm a piece of shit, it ain't hard to fucking tell. It don't make sense going to heaven with the goodies dressed in white. I like black Timbs and black hoodies. Gotta probably have me on some real strict shit. No sleeping all day, no getting my dick licked. Hanging with the goodies, lounging in paradise. Fuck that shit, I wanna tow guns and shoot dice. All my life I've been considered as the worst. Lying to my mother, even stealing out a purse. Crime after crime, from drugs to extortion. I know my mother wish she got a fucking abortion. I swear to God, I wanna just my wrist and end this bullshit. Throw the magnum till my head threaten to bullshit. And squeeze until the bed's completely red. I'm glad I'm a worthless fucking Buddha head. The stress is building up, I can't believe it's on my fucking mind. I wanna leave, I swear to God, I feel like death is fucking calling me. But nah, you wouldn't understand. You see, it's kinda like the crack did the Pookie and New Jack. Except when I cross over, it ain't no coming back. Should I die on the train track like Rainbow and Beach Street? People at the funeral frontin' like they miss me. My baby mama kissed me, but she glad I'm gone. She know me and her sister had something going on. I wonder if I died, would tears come to her eyes? Forgive me for my disrespect, forgive me for my lies. I'm sick of niggas lying, I'm sick of bitches hawking. Matter of fact, I'm sick of talking. You don't see us, but we see you. You stop on sleep, get on your P's and Q's, cause you will get crap. We know the scraps, you know the rap. We keep the flows in check. You don't see us, but we see you. You stop on sleep, get on your P's and Q's, cause you will get crap. We know the scraps, you know the rap. We keep the flows in check.
Mesmerizing, state of the art, caffeine. It's overhead like omniverse screen. I'm not the average savage that curse queens. I'm something from his worst dreams. First we handling first thing. I'm subsurface unseen. Grab a whole planet by the purse strings. Them seeds are earthlings, not built to hurt things. Speaking the words of weaklings, nothing but sweet things.
Man meets world, it ain't no time to recline. Act up, get clapped up, my mind is the nine. Shine like jewels of sparks, swimming with sharks. Never caught speaking in narcs, that's speaking the plots. I'm the type to sit back and analyze the prize. Grip it up and flee the scene with a different disguise. Take a detour, I be y'all that I can be whore. Talking to this bitch life, had to make her my wife. Live twice, got 7 more lives to live. I'm all out, taking things to the fullest extent. Help me get it down and we can split 100%. Run a rapper through a maze like an experiment. Word up, you know the legendary Roots crew.
Yeah. Okay, computer, radio heads knock to the future, shock like Curtis at your service. None other than the fifth government playing the cut again. Y'all clueless to what the fuck is up again, yo. Hard times and suffering. What my people's in the crevices struggling. None of them are twice soldier thespian, but I'm from the next Ian, supreme being that's unseen for MCing.
You don't see us, but we see you. You stop on sleep, get on your P's and Q's, cause you will get crap with no describe. You know the rap, we keep the flows in check. You don't see us, but we see you. You stop on sleep, get on your P's and Q's, cause you will get crap with no discrep. You know the rap, we keep the yo. They all around me, round me. On my head they got a bounty. I'm trying to get this bell up so I can flee the county. 666, come in my mix, flooded with tricks. I'm sharpening up spoons for ice picks. Niggas pipes bricks till dawn. If the money is long, cats who play strong will in hell through gold plate bones. You wrong, son, if you thought I wasn't dropping a ton. Sit and think about the way I wanna tally your son.
Days.
Every once in a while I reminisce and I wonder how we ever came to this. I miss the better days.
I love the way you flow. Wine in my drop, but I don't know where I'm going. It's showtime, give me 5 more minutes on the
Mirror, mirror, who's the fairest? Took the $1.50 on that horse and carriage. Must admit, nothing like these carrots. Hoes holler back just like they parents.
but I don't know where I'm going. But I don't know where I'm going. Pushing man, you stupid man, I love the way you flow. Wine in my drop, but I don't know where I'm going. It's showtime, give me 5 more minutes on the
Mirror, mirror, who's the fairest? Took the $1.50 on that horse and carriage. Must admit, nothing like these carrots. Hoes holler back just like they parents.
but I don't know where I'm going. But I don't know where I'm going.
I sip the Don P, watching Gandhi till I'm charged. Writing in my book of rhymes, all the words past the margin. The whole of mic of throbbing, mechanical movement, understandable smooth shit that murderers move with. The thief's theme. Play me at night, they won't act right. A fiend of hip hop, it's got me stuck like a crack pipe. The mind activation, react like I'm facing time like Pappy Mason. With pens I'm embracing, wipe the sweat off my dome, spit the phlegm on the street. In the Nikes on my feet, keep my cipher complete. Weather cruising in the 6 cab. I'm on Tarot Jeep, I can't call it. Beats make me fall in asleep, I keep falling. Never falling 6 feet deep. I'm out for presidents to represent me. The world is is yours. Disciple of the project / verbal murderer. Yeah, the world is yours. Till the Philly blunt heads crack pumping drug hers. To my man Ill Will, God bless your life. To my peoples throughout Queens, God bless your life. My insight and light's vision, words of wisdom. Niggas pay me intuition to listen. The murder paragraphs of mysticism. Man plant seeds that brings forth multiple breeds. So many coaches on one planet, but my coach is free. Son, I need weed to proceed. Change the flow speed. I'm getting vexed. Giuliani is 666. There's no days for broke days. Selling smoke pays. I took the chocolate, potent Phillies never broke straight. Shit is a hassle. The bridge is like the haunted castle. The mic's my religion. The system is the devil's lasso. And yo, the tripe life is most influential. The colors on men's skins and pens is coincidental. How you live large and broke up. You're wasting time like sorting papers from smokers. Catching court papers, getting broke up. The world is mine, persona of late Tony Montana, yet getting mine. The world is mine, persona of late Tony Montana, yet getting mine. The world is mine, persona of late Tony Montana, yet getting mine. The world is mine, persona of late Tony Montana, yet getting mine. Getting mine. Getting mine. I'm
love it. I know you don't love me. I know you don't love me. I should have seen you and told me right from the start. I know you don't love me. I know you don't love me. Took me some pretty lessons. I'm not to mess with broken hearts. I know you don't love me. I know you don't love me. I should have seen you and told me right from the start. I know you don't love me. I know you don't love me. Took me some pretty lessons. I'm not to mess with broken hearts.
All right, y'all, I'm back. Sorry about that. My mentee is doing great, thriving as a computer science student. So shouts out to my boy. So where we leave off? Okay. All right, so yeah, we're trying to test this exploit locally, and we have an issue. Let me actually turn this off. I can speak through there. We have an issue. Oh snap! I didn't share either. Yep. Nope. All right. Okay. So yeah, we're trying to perform this attack, and we need to do a few things with the pass in, with the first donate, and then we have to withdraw, which is going to initiate that attack. Because what we're going to do is once we withdraw, there's going to be money sent back to this receive function or this contract, which is going to initiate the attack. So let's look at this withdrawal for a second and see how much we need to send. So I believe we need to do 1e to the 14, I think. I believe that's right. Because from my understanding, let's do balance and weigh just to make sure. Okay. So let's run this attack really quick, or not attack, but let's run this test really quick. Contract attack local. All right, so that's balance and weigh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Yeah. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah. So it's going to be 1e to the 14 because essentially what I'm going to do is pass in. So remember the balance is going to be 0.01, right? Or sorry, 0.001. That's the balance. And what I'm going to do is initiate this reentrancy attack and do it with 0.001. And I have to do that 10 times, or actually 9 times. Okay? I'm going to do this attack 9 times, but I don't know if it's going to be 10 or 9, but do this 9 times, 9 or 10 times to make this equal to this balance. Because we're gonna wipe out that full balance. So what we're gonna do is withdraw 1e to the 14. Right? So that's gonna be the initial, that's gonna be the first time. So yeah, 9 times. Then this is going to run 9 more times. Right here. This is going to run 9 more times because look for a light. This is going to run 9 more times because that's going to be us draining this contract. And we could have done it with like, 2e to 14, so that does it in a short amount of a time, which we can actually go ahead and do that. And I think it'll only take 5 or 4 durations. So it's going to call back into here. Then we're going to withdraw. And the reason why we can continue to withdraw is because of there's no checks, effects, interactions, or reentrancy module. So essentially, we're going to call this, we're going to call withdraw, and we're going to make this message send. It's going to invoke our receive function right here, and it's going to call right back into this contract without this actually initiating. So I'm going to be able to withdraw more money than I should. So remember, so we're going to see what happens. We're just going to test it out. Let's see what this does. You got to press it down. Press it. You got it? You got it? Press it down and then turn to the left. Yeah, but press it down, like push it, because that's going to initiate the gas. There you go. See it? All right, now let go of the left side. Let go of the right side. You're good. Okay. So let's just try to initiate this. Let's try to initiate this attack because. Yeah, +001. Yeah. You're good. So what we're going to do is first we're going to view the balance of the contract of the reentrance. Actually, I'm going to change this up, y'all. I want this to be 1e to 14. Because I'm going to be donating 1e to 14, and I also if I do 2, it's going to be an even number, and if let's say I have an even number in this account, it may mess up some things. So view the balance of the reentrance contract. We're going to few things. So we have to deploy this contract first, and then I'm going to call this attack. So const attacker contract. Must be screaming because of this argument. Yep, argument for this reentrance contract. So we're supposed to be passing in an address. Correct. So we're going to be passing in reentrant contract.address, which takes a string. Yep. And then we're going to await attacker contract deployed. Okay, so now we have deployed our attacker contract, and it's going to be connected to this reentrance contract. Okay. And then we're going to replicate the state. I'm going to do the same thing again here. View the balance of the contract. And it should be the same thing as what's up here. Okay, so what are our attack steps going to be? So we're going to, nope. First, we're going to initiate the attack. Attack by calling our attack contract attack function. Okay? Then, actually, that should be it. Once we initiate the attack, it's going to perform the reentrancy. And then what we want to see at the end is check that the reentrance is equal to 0. So expect so after we perform this attack, we want to let final balance equals same thing. Yep, so he's in red. All right. Thing is, though, I need to make a final balance that is global. It needs to be a big number. Okay. We're going to change this here. Yep. So we want to expect our final balance equal to 0. Okay. So let's go ahead and run this, give this a shot, and see what we get. Remember, okay, so that's a part of the contract, I guess. Is that a part of the original? It is. All right. So this should honestly work with either a fallback or a... This should work with a fallback or receive, but let's just go from here. Okay. So basically, this is just going to show the balance of the contract as we're iterating through it. I shouldn't need any gas related things, but let's run it. Okay. I don't think I ever called. I don't think I ever called the attack. So basically, it just donated, and this is our amount there. Okay. So let's initiate. So we have to call uh, let transaction attack equals attacker contract. And here's where I messed up. This is already specified. Yeah, of type attack. Okay. So let attack equals await attacker contract dot attack. And we shouldn't have to send anything, but I do believe we need to send a message value. So let's go ahead and do value of what do we want to send this contract? Ethers.util.parse ether. We want to send 0.001. Actually, 0.0001. Let tag receipt equals await dot wait. Okay, the attack receipt is this. Okay, so now we should see the receipt of this attack happening. Let me actually just comment both of these out. Okay, just have to make sure these are the same type. All right, now we're ready for some action. Oh no, that changed our view. I did not want that to happen at all. What is this? Yeah, I've never seen that before, but here we go. Okay, so something failed in the process. So it looks like it didn't even perform, it didn't even call back into this contract. Okay, I need to donate to this address, not to. Yeah, I need to donate to this like myself. Um, So let's say public owner. Address. Okay. All right. Excuse me. And then what we're going to do at the end of this is transfer everything to the owner. Okay. This is the part I left out, and I talked about this earlier. You know, some attackers will make an attack and forget that. Hey, what's up, Robinson? Feel free to join in the Discord if you want to. Um, I hope all is well with you and everything is going good in your life, brother. Um, so yeah, we're just going over this reentrancy attack and working through how this is going to play out. So I think in a few videos ago I mentioned that some attackers failed in the like make a function where they can withdraw money, and I almost just did that just now, where the money was going to be stolen, sent into this contract, and then I had no way of withdrawing it. So I'm going to program in the ability to just send all of the stolen money directly to me. So we're going to say the money, we can just do console.log. Successfully sent contract. We successfully sent this amount to
Yo, what's going on?
what's up? What's up? How you doing?
Good, good.
Good to hear. Yeah, man, we're just going over this reagency example. One of the novel attacks in DeFi. So yeah, I'm just trying to work through it, make sure I understand it correctly, and show this attack. All right, so what I'm actually gonna do is grab the contract balance at this point. So let current contract balance. Oops, I don't know why I said let, but uint current balance equal to address this dot balance. And what we're going to do here is prove that I can't remember if Solidity supports inline things. I don't think so. If success, actually maybe, I think it does. So if success, we're going to have the current balance and the owner that it was sent to. Oh, okay. I guess it doesn't. So let me just put that here. Okay. So essentially what's going to happen is if this attack ran, right, it's going to say it sent that balance to me, which means when we go back into our exploit logs, I don't need to grab the final balance of the contract. Like that's just going to confuse it some more. I also don't need to wait. I do need the final balance. That's for my test. I don't need the initial balance here. Yeah, don't need that. This is going to tell me all I need. So let's try and initiate this attack. All right. So I think we did it. This is a local test. It's not live, but I honestly think we did the exploit. So let's take a look. So we first donated some money, got the receipt, the balance of, okay. So let me read this correctly. We first donated some money to the contract so that it would at least mimic the state of the Ethernaut example. So at this point in time, it's going to have 0.001 ETH locked up. Then is this so attacker address is that balance of attacker address? Hold up. Okay, so I did donate some to my account. All right. So by this point in time, the balance of the reentry contract is going to be this right here. But these logs look interesting. Okay, I see why. So essentially, we have this initial balance. And then we're going to perform the attack. So once we withdrew, this is the balance of the contract right here, which is this. This is the initial balance. We withdraw again. We withdraw another time. We withdraw another time. And each time we keep withdrawing, this contract is going to be losing its value. So right here is going to be the last time. Let's see, 1, 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yep. So this is the balance, and then it performs the last reentrancy attack, which is going to withdraw it and make it 0. And then this is how much we've stolen. So essentially what we're doing here is taking all the money out of the contract and sending it to the owner, which is me. So this is an example of reentrancy. I need to clean up this code a bit because I don't know why it's saying they successfully sent this amount, especially when I didn't finish. So let's change this to performing. Great. Reduces the balance, calls a reentrancy. Oh, okay. I see why it's doing that. So remember every time we call into this, it's basically just gonna nest it. It's gonna be a nested call, and it's gonna have to run. It's basically gonna have to come back and finish this call as many times that it was nested. So that's what's happening. We withdraw, we enter, we keep re-entering, right? And then when it unravels, it's gonna just call this again. So that's all this is doing. It's gonna just say successfully sent this amount, but that's the main reason. So what we can do here is take this. So this is essentially. I'm glad I learned this yesterday. We learned how to do this locally. So number one, we don't have to wait for Sepolia to test everything and keep doing trial and error and looking at the logs and everything. We can do that all locally right here. Okay. So what we're gonna do now is, now that we've practiced on our local environment and the exploit works, we're going to do the same thing and use it on and deploy it to testnet. So this is how attackers usually do what they do. They get mocks. They try to replicate the system, run a bunch of tests on that system locally, and once they get an exploit locally, then they just deploy it live. So that's what we're going to do. We've accomplished this locally, so now we're going to deploy it live, and there's going to be a few changes to how we actually deploy this live. So what we're going to do is copy all of this, or let me just say one thing, maybe copy most of this. Attacker contract. Yeah, mainly this part. Okay. Then we're going to go to our contract attack. This is the one we're going to actually connect live. So let's come down here. Let's get rid of all of this. Bam. Okay, and there's a few things we have to change or add. So there's a final balance. We hadn't done that yet. Um, Also, anyone's watching this later in Robinson View now, I started using TypeScript, so it's going to look a little bit different, but um, this is what a lot of people suggest using whenever using Hardhat. You use TypeScript and TypeChain. It's just much easier to work with, and I would definitely agree. After one day of it, I am never going back to JavaScript. Uh, and this is also just good practice for learning TypeScript whenever I go to just learn how to build with this. So final balance is going to be of type big int, I believe, or big number. I think that's right. Honestly, I should just go back to this. To my local attack. Okay. So yeah, we have our final balance. Let's do that right here. Why is this not showing up? Oh. Okay, so that's plugged in. Do we ever really need this attacker? I don't think so. When did I use this here? Oh, whenever I donated. Okay. So I believe in this one, we don't really need to donate anything. And the reason for that is because my attack contract is going to just make the donation already. So I don't have to test that out. So let's get rid of attacker. Well, let me actually just comment that out because I'm going to need it in my next one. Okay, so we have everything situated. Now we do have to go to Ethernaut and get our, oh, that's no bueno. Let me refresh. That looks hideous. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Why the heck that's... Okay, deploy game. I should be on Sepolia. Sepolia, I don't know how people say it. Wait a minute, did they not support? They have to support Sepolia.
I think most of us use Gurley. I never used Sepolia.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh man, I was using. I might just switch to Polygon. Only
You
reason.
need some. You need the ETH. I got some if you need some.
Thank you, bro. The only reason I didn't like using Gorily is because it's just like super slow now that people were like paying for it. The okay, so it does support Pro. Yeah, so the reason so I actually used to do it in Gorily, but after the shindig where like people started selling their Gorily tokens for real money, this got heavily congested. So now I really only use Sepolia. So I think Sepolia. I think I should be good. It says they support Sepolia, but they may have switched up and support another one. Um, That sucks. I had all my contracts deployed here and had them all checked out. That's whack. Okay. So here's what I'm gonna do. Oh, Sepolia. Sometimes the site can be a little buggy. Why is it bullying me right now? Sepolia. But honestly, they may be changing like the networks they support. This will happen sometimes in the middle of the game. They'll only support like 4 of them, and I think that's what they're maybe doing is only supporting the others. Ethernaut changes to network. Doesn't look like they've changed it up. Okay, so this is the latest from them. They should still be supporting it. I just may have to switch it out because it's mad buggy right now. Which I don't know why. Yeah. Is Ethernet up for you, Robinson? Is it up at all?
I haven't tried it, but I can try it real quick. Let me double check.
Okay. Thank you. Can't find a valid provider. What's going on? Network, Sepolia. I don't have my VPN on, so.
It's working for me.
Oh, okay. So I think I just must have messed it up whenever. Yesterday I had an instance, game not deployed. Okay. Let me just say switch to Gurley, see what they say. And then try to switch it back to Sepolia. Maybe that'll work. Maybe if I disconnect and connect.
Might need to clear your cache and then I'll try it again.
Yeah. You're right.
But I don't know. That may mess up. What level are you on right now for the Ethernaut?
I'm on 11 or 10.
Yeah, be careful with that because it might clear everything. So
Yeah,
I'm not quite sure. I just thought about that.
it's all good. What if I just disconnect this for a second. Welcome. Alright, so we're good there. Let's go back here. Okay, not deployed. Let's deploy game. Nope. Okay, let's connect first and see what happens. Yeah, I'm about to clear cache. I think the issue was yesterday I left this up overnight. And it may have just... Okay, I think I'm connected now. Yeah, just had to refresh a couple times, but I guess I lost all my status from connecting and disconnecting. It's all good. We got these on GitHub, so there is proof. Wait, what? Yes, yep. All right, so honestly, they may just have stopped supporting yeah, I'm connected. Huh. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to connect to a different network and then work from there. Honestly, you may be right. I think I may just be clear cache because it's all messed up right now. Um, where is it at? Uh, I forgot. Yeah, clear browsing data. Okay. Let's see what that does. Just back out of that completely. Go back to Ethernaut. We're about to play a game. Nothing happens. We are connected to Sepolia, so should be good. No. Alright, so I should be good. It's all done, baby. It's all done. You go eat. I'll eat later. Yeah. Okay, so let's go to reentrancy. Okay. I am using MetaMask and I'm connected. That's on the current network. Please make sure. Support network. Yep. Yeah, I don't know what's going on for me. I think I might have to switch to another network for some odd reason. Okay, well, we'll have to learn that today. So they support, I think I'm gonna just use Polygon. Yeah, it's hella buggy. Yeah, install.
Want to put your address in the chat, and I can send you some on girly, Eve?
Um, actually, I have some. You're good though.
You do? Okay.
Yeah, I think
Thank you.
I should have some left over. Only reason is just because I'm so mad at what they did, bro. Like, I was like my
Yeah, I
version
agree.
of boycott. It's like my version of boycotting. Um,
True.
but yeah, let me just let me just do that because I do have it already. I already have Go Early. So let's go to re-entry and see. Huh. Okay, so there's something wrong with my connection for some odd reason, and I don't really know why. I'm on Gurley, I'm connected, and it usually works, but
Oh, I forgot. Go back to your MetaMask. Or you can actually like delete. You can clean like your activities and stuff. Yeah, if you go through all that, the three dots and all that, you can actually I think it's account details or you gotta. I forgot how to do it, but you can actually clear like all of your
yeah,
activities, and that might help out.
yeah, that's
Forget how
right,
to
because you
do it
gotta do
though.
that whenever you're doing local testing, right?
Yeah, I did it for some stuff. I forgot how to do it though.
Yeah, no, you're right, you're right. Um, oh, I think it was here. Settings. Clear transaction history. I think that might be it.
Yeah, I think it's reset account.
Yeah.
'Cause I used to do that like when I would pay for something and my gas would get stuck. I think it was, or
Yeah.
I would just reset my account.
Yeah, that's a good point. Let's go and reset it. Thank you. Yeah, I think that may be it. But we'll try. Just start from scratch. You're done? You finished? You want no more? We can have some more. I'm not really that hungry. Okay. Distance. Dang, bro. They really not effing with me today.
Yeah, I about to say you may want to take the rest of the day off, man. I don't know. That's kind of weird.
Yeah. Hmm? Okay. Um, what shall I do? I don't want to. Okay. Found debug. You're gonna have to solve problems. All right, let's try this. That may do it. Yeah, I think locking and unlocking may work it too. But there's always just canceling out on my browser. I think my computer hate me today. All right. This. I think it's still gonna be broken because it's not getting my old levels. Um, let's see. Baby, you didn't cut the oven off? You didn't cut the oven off? You trying to set us on fire? Yeah. Okay. Let's get into this thing. Bro. Print everything. Okay. So I'll try to use Gurley,
Yeah, I was
man.
gonna say, what about trying a different wallet, like a different wallet maybe,
Like we use like a different
like a different address,
Ethereum.
like a different yeah, a different wallet address. It might be something wrong with that one in particular.
True, true.
But it's working for me. I can share my screen and show you if you want to
Oh yeah, no, I believe
verify.
you. I'm sure it's good. I think I'll try that.
Weird.
Well, let me just try one more time. Go to Gurley. Mr. Gurley. Good. I think I'm on Gurley now, so that should be no issues. Okay, let's go to reentrancy. Let's go to seeing something different. It's got deploy level now, so let's deploy. Deploy. Not working. Yeah, I think it's something wrong with my wallet, bro. So
Yeah.
do I have one with testnet? Yeah, I'll use that one. Okay, let me try this one. Nope. Install the plugin is disabled. Okay. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to damn new window. Oh, this is not connected. Let's try Ethernaut. Hmm. What they say? I have to. Nope, 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 not that. I mean that early origin. I got test networks. Yep, all good. Mm, 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 mm. This is Buns. Is there any MetaMask update? Is there like something I'm missing?
Doubt it, because I didn't do nothing at all, and
Yeah,
mine's working. So yes, I don't know.
could be an issue. I don't have privacy mode turned on or nothing. Uh, I've already disconnected and connected. I tried go early. I've done all the troubleshooting.
What about trying it in like incognito? Think
Yeah,
that'll help out maybe?
yeah, we can try that. Oops. Actually, I don't know if I have my. I don't know if
Oh,
I
you don't
have
got
my.
your MetaMask set up. Oh, okay, never mind.
So let's see. Um, we've cleared cache. We've done just about every step of this. What if we can? Hmm, the hacking gods don't want me to win today. I see. Uh, single days, clear all that shit. Even when I press deploy game, when yours loads, what's happening?
Oh, let me double check. Yeah, yours kind of weird. Mine show like get new instant and submit instant.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with yours. It's kind of weird.
Disconnect. Right. Connect. Maybe if okay, I'm gonna try something. One more time. Let me just lock this joint. Real quick. What is MetaMask? Okay. Can't find provider, huh? All right. Let me see, because I need to. Yeah, it's just not gonna register at all. Um. About Chrome. No updates. System reset setting. No, I won't do that. All right, I think what I'm gonna do is, which I don't know what's gonna happen on this YouTube thing, but I'm gonna try and completely just exit out of all this. Let me just see what happens. Let's just quit that joint. Okay. Go back to YouTube. I don't know if my stream is still showing, but. Okay, it brought me back to it. Okay. So we got that reset. Do a new window. Go to Ethernaut. Not deployed. Same old, huh?
Yeah, I'm not sure why.
Uh-oh. Did I lose you? Can you hear me? Hey, Robinson, can you hear me? Because I can't hear you. Can you hear me, Robinson? Like, oh, that's your mic. Okay. Cool. I was like, yo, my computer breaking down now.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I'm still getting these provider area errors, so um I don't really know what's the issue for me. I've actually never ran into this problem before. Never, ever, ever. Yep, connected. Nope, not working. And I mean, I have other wallets, but it shouldn't be getting in the way. Even when I switch to Gorilla, I have an issue. Let's try this. Nope, that button don't work. It ain't working.
Yeah, it's not recognizing your MetaMask for some reason.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yep. Yep, it's on support and it's unlocked. Yep. Yo, I'll try theory. This better not be it. I'm gonna be mad if they really blocked because of my location, but
Might be, maybe.
So what I can do is extension.
You might have to create a new profile. That's what I did. So I got like three different Google Chrome profile, and I just opened up a MetaMask for like each profile. It may
Oh, I
help
see.
out.
I see
Just
what you're
something to think
saying.
about. Yeah.
That's a good point. Good point. Good point. I don't want to go through all that. Okay, let me pull this over here.
Are you gonna be back on tomorrow or Saturday?
Yeah, I'll be. I may not be back on tomorrow night. I'll probably be back on sometime during the day, but
Okay.
I'll definitely be on Saturday. We have our course kickoff
Class.
then. Yeah.
Yeah, I'd be there at 11 o'clock, right?
Yep, 11 Eastern.
Cool.
But I
All right.
mean, I'm still gonna be on tonight just because I'm gonna be stuck figuring out this problem. Um,
Okay.
so yeah. But if you got a dip, then I will catch
Yeah,
you.
I'm about to head out, for sure. But yeah, just give that a try. Maybe that may help out. Just try like a different Chrome profile, and then just add your MetaMask to that profile.
Yeah, that's a good point.
All right, but I'm out of here, man. Hope you find a problem. I see you Saturday.
It's cool, bro. Have a good one.
All right, you too.
Catch you. Oh, I want to install MetaMask. Yo, y'all gotta get me a. Hey, what's up, Robert? That you?
Yeah, what's up?
What's going on? I'm having the toughest of the times right now trying to work with MetaMask.
Oh, what's happening?
I I basically it wasn't registering with Ethernaut. It was saying I don't have a wallet. I reset
Um,
it. I did all these things and had issues. And what I
is it
hope.
like you're having issues with what are you trying to do with MetaMask?
So basically I was trying to connect it up and it just like literally was not working. Like hold on real quick.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, so basically I was just trying to connect it. It was not it was basically saying I didn't have a provider, I didn't have an account.
Mm,
And I went through all the steps, but we're good. I'm literally just I just uninstalled it and then I'm gonna bring it back. Just to
awesome.
confirm, you can't you see the Discord screen, right?
Oh, oh, you're streaming. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
No, I was just saying you see it. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I just see Discord
Okay.
and your like terminal window behind the Discord.
Bet. That's just to make sure.
You don't see the private key.
Uh-huh. Buddy, I was just exposing it all. Not even the private key, the whole C phrase.
Oh, dang.
But I figure you couldn't see it. I'm only streaming one screen, so uh, still a little risky. I should have cut off,
Yeah,
but
all good.
uh,
Dude, I don't know how you're like doing Solidity after like reviewing Cosmos all day.
yeah, bro, it definitely does suck sometimes, but um, yeah, it just is what it is.
Yeah.
um, it's kind of fun though, like switching. Oh, I think it's because my MetaMask is just old. Like, I think I just
Oh, in
hadn't done
person?
anything with it. And I
Uh,
and I know they let me get this USDC. I know they import tokens, but uh, oops, that's not it. Dude, I hope I didn't lose my stuff. Import all. I hate that they don't keep your same names. So like I had these different accounts and
mm,
uh,
yeah, it sucks. I think I hope that especially with account extraction, I hope there's some really cool products that come out around like having a single signer but having multiple addresses. And you just
mm,
like scope the addresses to whatever you need. Like, oh, this is only for like testnet development, but you
yeah,
don't have to use signer every time.
damn, that'd be dope. That would be real dope. Wait, okay. Okay, why can't I add this? Add a network. Do I have to add it manually?
Which testnet do you use?
Hmm?
Which testnet are you using?
Sepolia.
Mm.
I'm thinking about using Polygon skin, which what you were using.
Yeah, I like Mumbai's testnet just because like the faucets are
Mm-hmm.
just pretty consistent. Like I've never had a problem getting it. And yeah, I mean, especially just for testing, like it's EVM, so it just works.
So what's it, Mumbai?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm gonna add that just because I hadn't been previously. Um, so we'll cover network changes, search Polygon. Okay. Add your network. Oops. Oops, probably on. Where do I add it at?
Oh, you mean how do you add a new network?
Yeah, I'm on chain list and I'm trying to.
Oh, so there's a on chain list. There's a you have to turn on
Oh, yeah.
headset so they're visible. Yeah,
Yeah, I didn't
it's
have
default. It's weird. I don't know why.
it. Pin this. Okay, I should connect. Okay, got that.
Do you need any testnetmatic?
Um, I may,
I can send you
but
stuff.
thing is, it's still not picking up my. Oops, it's still not picking up my wallet. When I try to connect my wallet.
I wonder if it's like looking on the wrong network or something.
Oh, let me try to just do a regular one. Show test networks. Data, nope, nope. Okay, let's restore. Oh, all right. I think I lost all my.
Your accounts?
I lost my at least my development one with all my testnet stuff. Let me see if I got
Dang.
it. No, you're good.
Good.
I think so. Let me see. I mean, it's I don't ever save that one. The only one that's the most important is my main account. Oh, I think I've imported a few and lost track of them, but let me just go like a regular DeFi app because something's really wrong with my MetaMask. Am I getting attacked right now?
Do you know your wallet address? I could look on the Block Explorer to see if anything weird.
Yeah. Um, Let me go back to mainnet. I mean, I'm not losing any money. It's all it's all there. It's just um Yeah, Uniswap's not even picking up my wallet. Which is very weird. I'm about to get a whole new wallet. Just stop messing with MetaMask completely. Yeah, so I think it's something wrong with my MetaMask account. Because Uniswap's not picking my wallet up. Chains, like, everything is not picking up my wallet. And I don't know if it's because of, maybe it's because I've been changing with like VPNs and stuff. And MetaMask maybe like, blocking my shit. I don't know. Connect, nope.
Have you tried clearing the cookies on those sites?
I cleared cache. Let me see if cookies will do it. That's a good point. Try that. But I got cookies for days. I'm about to clear everything.
I've encountered issues with MetaMask before where like if I have multiple accounts signed in to the same app, like sometimes it breaks them.
Mm. Okay, let's see if clearing cookies work because I did everything else. It wasn't.
Do you see any messages in the console log? Like when it tries to connect?
Yeah, I do. Um, hold on. It just says my provider is not. I don't have one. It just says like it cannot detect a provider.
Oh,
I'm about to switch to what should we call it? What's that site? This other wallet that I see a lot of people having. Wallet Connect.
oh yeah. Well, I thought Wallet Connect was more of like a standard because I have a few different wallets that use Wallet Connect. Um, I
Let me
wonder if
have to.
are you thinking of getting another like browser-based wallet or a different one for development?
Hmm. Make sure we're back on stream. Okay, I'm still live. Um. Okay. Oh dang, I might have an issue. I mean, I was in a good flow too, doing this locally and everything. I So I'm getting this issue right here. Failed to get initial state. Can't find a valid provider. And I have a valid provider.
If you click on your MetaMask, yeah. If you sign in, it doesn't work either.
Yeah, it wasn't working before, but let me try it again. Okay, so now that should be unlocked. Now I can try to connect it. Maybe this will work.
Okay, it looks like it loaded some stuff again. Does MetaMask show it's connected?
Refresh. Nope, still saying.
Oh yeah, you're on mainnet. Okay. How about okay? I wonder if we can connect now.
Maybe I can manually connect. Actually, I want to connect this account.
Okay.
Maybe this will work. Just refreshing it.
Oh yeah, and then you have to switch that account in MetaMask because yeah, you approved that account, but you're still on the other one. Yeah. So yeah, I think you gotta switch.
Okay, says connected. This is what it was saying before on the other one. It's still saying connected, but
Oh, I see.
couldn't
And
get
it's
the
just
issue.
not able to find it.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
now.
it sucks. It ruin your flow.
For real. Yeah, I keep getting this. This is what I kept getting. So even
What is
after
this games in MetaMask? The support network unlocked. Hmm.
and I did everything. I reset my activity. And I feel like this this is all because yesterday I didn't close out the instance. I just left that damn thing open, but
Hmm.
it's more to it. Let's go and try to reset it. Settings.
I actually have to hop off a little bit early tonight, but um, yeah, I'll see you tomorrow or Saturday.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, I'll be on Saturday. I'm gonna be on earlier tomorrow.
Cool.
Uh,
Yeah, might do some audit report reading.
nice. Yeah, I'll be down. Um,
Cool.
but yeah, probably early tomorrow. It's tomorrow date night, so later afternoon I won't be on, but earlier I should be. And if not, then of course Saturday we'll link up.
Awesome. All right. See you.
See you, bro. Settings. Great, great, great. Hmm. Okay, so clearly I got too much on this. I'm guessing. All right, y'all. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna take a break. Maybe I can figure this out later, but yeah. Ending stream for now.